Not going to let us cruise over to Bassler, are they? Make me hold on 27.
Yep. I think it's cool we get to call ground on 118.5 tower frequency.
That's odd, isn't it?
Number 2, Mike Echo, cross runway 27, Alpha to the ramp.
Crossing 27, Alpha to the ramp, Mike Echo, thank you.
Terminal 2018, you'll see traffic crossing ahead of you on Alpha taxiway from south to north.
Well, when she says something like that, I'm going to expedite crossing 27. Telling somebody, oh, there'll be somebody crossing in front of you.
Some ultralight, yeah, just what we want, to cross in front of an ultralight.
At Alpha, right, to the terminal.
Yep, Alpha to the terminal.
November 3 Sierra Foxtrot, runway 36, you're clear for the option.
Where are you going?
See anybody down there?
3 Sierra Foxtrot.
Why?
Hey, 3 Sierra Foxtrot.
I just...
Because we park over here, right?
Yep. Yeah, it's,
Oh, my God, there's a Challenger.
I see that. Popping a wheelie.
Right, until you sit in it, yep. So, you suppose they're going to park us or not park us, or?
I'm saying they're not going to park us. I'd just get somewhere near that Challenger. We'll have a nice video of him.
Hey.
There's what I want for Christmas.
Oh, you don't.
I know it, I'm just saying. Crystal asked me what I want for Christmas.
Just say, how that Challenger.
No. I want to fly it over the ocean. Okay, we're signing off from OSHKOSH. Have to go see about a wine bottle.